This is the internal assembly for the wide range 8-speed. Install the axle assembly into a vise or this jig and use Castrol LMX grease on the bearing cage assemblies and inside the groove. It's a labyrinth seal. Install the driver onto the cone and then some more grease on the driver cone bearing surface and the larger bearing cage assembly and the ball cup. Now these pieces will be assembled into an assembly and dropped onto the axle. Coat every piece, every part of these with Castrol CLS 00 grease. And assemble the planet cage and then the 93 tooth gear ring unit assembly, and drops on like that. It'll rotate and you'll hear the pawls operating. Again, coat everything with Castrol CLS 00 grease. And then the 93 tooth and again coating everything with grease. You can use more than I'm using. You want everything to be very well lubricated. And finally the 81 tooth gear ring. They all should rotate evenly and independently. Then you'll notice there's 3 notches on the bottom that will engage the 3 tabs on the driver. Drop the assembly down on top of the axle and you will need to push the pawls in with your fingers, and then you can rotate the shift mechanism to get it drop further, and as you rotate it the 3 tabs will engage the driver and you will be able to see up here, you'll be able to see the groove for the snap ring. Then install the snap ring, making sure that it drops down all the way into the groove and closes up. And then you're done.